Hey everyone, Magpie back with another video, and this is part 4 of my Out of Lockdown haul unboxings. In the past few videos we have unboxed and reviewed Bill, Jambalaya Chimichenga and Mama Bernoulli. Link in the description below for a playlist which will guide you to all of the unboxings on my channel. And today for part 4 we are going to be unboxing and reviewing 2020 Metallic Snot Rod. We've got normal Snot Rod here to compare them to. So let's get into the video by checking out the box. This is 2020, so it is the Blue Desert background still. There's just something about Snot Rod that's always been appealing to us since I was a kid. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's this. It looks amazing. It's part of the Scavenger Hunt series. There he is. Very different on first glances to normal Snot Rod. But we'll get on with the comparison once he's all opened up. There we go, part of Scavenger Hunt series, and there is Snot Rod, normal Snot Rod on the back. So let's go ahead and open him up and start the reviews. Now I don't know if you remember in the last video, kind of got cut short a little bit towards the end by my neighbour upstairs. Started doing some building work. Well, it's been about half an hour, 40 minutes since I filmed, kind of block filming all these, uploading them all at different times, and it's been about 40 minutes, half an hour, maybe 40 minutes, and he's only just stopped, so I don't know what he's doing up there. Better keep my voice down in case I can hear us, but I don't know what he's up to, but he's up to something. So yeah, it's really hard to open these boxes because obviously I like to keep the card back in as much of a good condition as I can since I collect the card backs. That was alright. I'm just excited to. There we go. And there he is. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. I love this colour. It's like, it's almost like red. So I'll start by having a look at the side of him here. He's got red rims on the wheels. I love like this. I don't know if it is red. It looks red from my camera. It looks more like iron brew colour. You know what iron brew is? It's a drink. It's a Scottish drink. I think it's all over the world. If not, I'll put a picture up somewhere. It looks more iron brew colour. If I'm looking over my phone here. But I love the black and whatever this iron brew red colour is. There's the back, Snot Rod. It's got his famous massive back tyre. Little flame exhaust thingies. And there's the top. If I look at the top, and there's the front. Looks quite happy with himself. And there's this, I love this. We'll look at the base. Mattel made in China, and I believe that means he was made in the 30th week of 2019, I think, in Factory A. If I'm wrong, please let us know in the description, the comments down below what it is. Really like this one. So let's go ahead and compare him to normal Snot Rod. This Snot Rod is... This is a 2020 Snot Rod, made in the 45th week on Factory A, I believe. So they are both Thailand, they are both from like the same year. So it's just like the colours that are different, and I love it. Like I said, I've always had like a love for Snot Rod. He's like I think he's like my favourite out of the tuners, I think. I love like the black and the orange on the original. I mean, there's one difference there, the license plate. Metallic's got blue. Just going to focus in there. Metallic's got blue and normal's got white. That's quite a nice little difference. I just love that colour. Like it's almost like red, like metallic red almost. And on the black, looks absolutely... Those tyres are beautiful. Got the silver. Absolutely love this. Really, really nice one. Let's check something here first. Yeah, it's the same car but just a different paint job really. Apart from the license plate's different as well. So yeah, there's Metallic Snot Rod. Absolutely love it. Another one in the Scavenger Hunt series. This now brings me up to 3 in the Scavenger Hunt series, I believe. I know this is the last chance that I'm really going to get for the Scavenger Hunt, but I found some really good ones. Got this, Julian, Jack Ramone and Cal Weathers. So that's the end of my review and unboxing on Metallic Snot Rod. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm glad that I picked it up. I've seen it in the past in the shops and I wasn't going to pick it up. I didn't pick it up in the past, and then I saw it yesterday when I was doing the hunt and I thought, why not? So please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know what you think of this guy in the comments below. And keep an eye on the channel for part 5, our last unboxing, coming soon. I hope you've all enjoyed this series. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.